Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a muffin and grow according to game of Roblox new muffin bake event. Okay, let's get into it, guys. Grow a Garden has just released a new event. It's called the Muffin Bake Off. And if you want to make a muffin, first you're going to go to the baker to buy the ingredients. You're going to click on buy ingredients right here, and you can purchase all the ingredients here: the wheat, sugar cane, and also chicken. And once you have the ingredients, you're going to plant it in your garden. These are seeds, guys, so you need to plant it first in your garden, and then you'll get the ingredient after that. Okay, this is the wheat seed, sugar cane, and once you plant them in your garden, you're going to go to the oven and you're going to bake. And there are four types of muffin. The first one is the blueberry muffin, the second one pumpkin muffin, carrot muffin, and also the rainbow muffin. And each muffin will give you different reward. And since I have already collected all the ingredients for the blueberry muffin, I'm going to bake the blueberry muffin right now. Just click on bake, and you need to wait for 5 minutes until it's ready. And my blueberry muffin here is ready, so I'm gonna claim the muffin. And once you bake muffin, you're going to go back to the baker to trade the muffin for all these rewards. Okay, guys, and that's how you can make muffin and grow according to game of Roblox muffin bake update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.